Welcome to Tales of WisdomHQ, where we share powerful stories that inspire better thinking and living. Watch the full video to discover the lesson. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, lived a hard-working father and his young son. The father was deeply worried. His son was careless, lazy, and had no sense of responsibility. Day after day, the boy wasted his time wandering through the village. While others worked and built their lives, the boy did nothing. He laughed, roamed the streets, and ignored every chance to improve himself. His father watched silently, knowing words alone would not change him.
One evening, the father decided it was time to teach a lesson, not with anger, but with wisdom. He gently called his son and spoke in a calm voice. "Son," the father said softly, "there is a watch inside the cupboard. Please bring it to me." The boy nodded and went inside.
The father examined the watch and said, "Take this to the market. Ask everyone you meet how much they think this watch is worth."
At the market, the boy showed the watch to many people. One said it was worth 500. Another said 1,000. Others guessed different prices.
Everyone had a different opinion. No one agreed. The boy became confused. He realized the watch meant different things to different people.
He returned home and said, "Father, everyone gave a different price." The father smiled gently and said, "Good. Put the watch back." The next day, the father called his son again. "Take the watch to the market," he said. "But this time, don't ask its price. Ask the value of the time inside it."
The boy didn't understand, but he obeyed. In the market, he asked people, "How much is the time inside this watch worth?" Some people laughed. Some ignored him. Others called him foolish. Embarrassed and sad, the boy felt smaller with every step.
At last, he entered a small shop. An old watchmaker was repairing watches quietly. The boy asked him the same question. The old man smiled kindly and said, "Son, time has no price. You can earn money again, but once time is gone, it never returns." He continued, "Time has one bad thing. It passes. But one good thing, you can choose how to use it."
"Everyone gets 24 hours, the old man said, "rich or poor. The difference is how wisely those hours are spent."
The boy felt something change inside him. For the first time, he understood the true value of his wasted days. He rushed home and shared everything with his father. The father listened silently, pride shining in his eyes.
The father placed his hand on his son's shoulder. No scolding, no anger, just quiet satisfaction.
From that day on, the boy worked hard. He respected time. He stopped wandering and started building his future.
Friends, time is free but priceless. You can't save it, but you can use it. Once gone, it never returns. Use your time wisely. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and share it with your friends. And for more inspirational stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for being with us. We'll meet again in the next story with new thoughts and new lessons. Until then, take care and stay peaceful.